Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened your sheet and selected the cells you'll change. That's essential. First, make sure the file locale and time zone match your target format because locale affects month/day order and separators. Once done, with cells still selected, go to the Format menu, choose Number, and pick a date or time style as a quick, reversible change. This ensures Google Sheets treats entries as dates, not text, which is why these initial steps are critical before customizing formats. Now customize the exact pattern to display. Open Format Number Custom Date and Time. You'll see tokens like YI, DD, and HH, MM/PM. Drag or type tokens to build the pattern you want. For example, DD YI HH, for 05 Jan 2026, 14:30. Make sure to include separators and AM/PM only if you want 12-hour time. Once you edit the pattern, the preview updates immediately, so you can confirm the visual result. Apply the new custom format to lock in the display. The underlying serial date remains intact, so calculations still work. If some entries don't change, they are likely text, use value or date value to convert them, or re-enter as true dates. If times look off after importing, check file settings for time zone mismatch and adjust. Reapply the format if needed. Finally, if a custom pattern won't save, remove special characters or recreate the format. That fixes most persistent formatting errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.